Introducing Zervise Employee and Customer Support Made Easy, your ultimate help desk solution. Say goodbye to IT support hassles and hello to seamless assistance. All within your favorite conversational tool, Microsoft Teams. Connect the magic of Genie for your customers with Zervise Help Desk support. Go to the tab section with our Genie stick and click on Zervise to begin your magical journey. Look, this is your dashboard screen, where you'll use your knowledge to make customers happy. See what's happening and where your attention is needed. Here you will see your tickets and their status, and check what's pending that needs your attention. Facing a problem? Click on the new ticket. Create one with an optimistic mindset. Here on this screen you can check the company's users and assign your stressful task to someone else for help. Kidding. Identify your team in your company and delegate tasks to others when needed. No need to tackle everything alone. When you need to remember how to solve common problems, use our knowledge base. It's like a magic spellbook filled with answers. Want to keep tabs on how much time your team spends resolving issues? Click on Admin to get insights into your team's efficiency. This magic tab can show you data before even Genie reaches here, so you can focus on what matters most, your core business. Say hello to a new era of hassle-free IT support. Welcome to Zervise.